You are likely in a really good situation to take advantage of our most popular solution for the survivor benefit plan at US VetWealth. And this is where we take what you would have otherwise been spending for the survivor benefit plan over 30 years and use that same accumulative amount of money, but do it in 10 years. At least that's our starting point because it's a good apples to apples comparison. When you read through our guides, you can see a better idea, or you can do the calculator to see what the exact numbers will be for you. But let's just say it was over 30 years, it would be $150,000. So in that case, we're talking about $15,000 a year for 10 years and then being done and being fully funded. At which point, 10 years later, you've now got an account worth roughly $150,000 that you'd be able to access instead of 30 years later having a sunken cost of $150,000 that you don't know what the outcome's going to be because that doesn't change anything. It's right in the word survivor benefit plan. It means there's only one chance, one scenario in which there's any return on investment. So all we're doing by doing the 10-year strategy or any different time frame or amount for that matter is giving yourself more flexibility, more outcomes that are accessible. That's the whole point of investing dollars, is to increase the probability of a positive return on investment, living or dead. So that's the idea of the private pension at US Vet Wealth. And when you're ready to begin the process for getting qualified for our survivor benefit plan alternative, the private pension plan, go ahead, schedule a call with me or one of our experts, and we will walk you through the process and get you the answers you need so you can confidently decline the survivor benefit plan and or begin really playing either catch up or taking more control of your financial and investment strategy when it comes to be able to access the money. If you'd like to learn more about our survivor benefit plan alternative, make sure you join us inside our private portal where you can check out all our content, learn more about what we do. And of course, when you're ready, click below to schedule a call with myself or one of my experts, and we can walk you through the process of getting qualified, underwritten, and it really, truly just figuring out if an alternative approach is right for you or helping you confidently decline the survivor benefit plan if that is what you are looking to accomplish. So we look forward to working with you. See you on the inside.